I can't believe I'm making this video, but we're going to do a clean with me video, and it is not going to be what you expect. So leave a comment down below what you are trying to clean right now. Me personally, I'm trying to clean up my life and kind of get it into shape and where everything is really just one continuous motion where everything is moving in a positive direction as much as it can. So this is where the clean with me video is going to be. I didn't realize that there was so much interest in a quote unquote clean with me video, but you know what? We're going to do a clean out your life video is what we're going to do. I have really been struggling over the last year or two to figure out what I want to do with my life and where I'm going. And I graduate college this year with my bachelor's degree in finance. And I was like, what am I going to do? I don't know if I'm ready to go into the finance world and all this different things. So leave a comment if you're in that situation, man. I really resonate with you. So I also am a real estate agent, and I just now recently started working that again, really, really hard. So I just want everybody to know if you are struggling with any type of work or like you don't like your job or whatever, it's totally okay because people have made millions of dollars hitting a ball that is no bigger than this square right here on this charging cable. So, anything can be done. I'm sitting here making a YouTube video and you're freaking watching it. So, anything can be done, guys. I really, really, really think more people need to know that. But let's see. First thing I'm cleaning out right now is my morning routine. I've got it pretty well polished and spit shined up to 90% probably, but it's still struggling to wake up early, and I feel like I've been trying to wake up about 4:30, 5 o'clock every morning and make it to the workout gym. And so far, 4:30 and 4:45 has been where I'm at, but it's hard. It's hard in the mornings, man. I'm not even kidding you. So that's the first thing I'm trying to clean out. The second thing I'm trying to clean out is reading my Bible more and reading books more. I really have been not really, nurturing my Christian relationship very much over the last couple of years, and I've really been working on that. That's my biggest clean out this year so far. I'm very much trying to clean my life in the spiritual aspect of things, and reading my Bible more and talking to God more and reading in general more because I think is a good thing for us to get in the habit of. Number three, I'm trying to clean out my work ethic on school. I'm so close. This is my last semester, and it's just boring. And it's not hard, but it's just boring and monotonous. And I feel like I've gone through all these things, over the last 4 years. I've gone through these classes, and almost all of them seem to be saying the same things over and over. To a certain degree, obviously, some of them are different, but I'm just trying to clean out my motivation and my drive and my discipline into school to try and make that my main focus, and to really thrive at that. Number four, I think we're at maybe five. I'll leave it in the. I'll edit it in. Number four is going to be my work situation. So I'm a real estate agent in Missouri, and I just now started really cranking that work ethic into that. So that is, I'm just nurturing that, fostering that, trying not to get burnt out because it would be easy for you to get burnt out in that kind of industry. So I'm really trying to clean that out and polish my real estate stuff to where I've got it just clean and flowing, a machine that is just working perfectly in line. So this clean with me video was more about like how to clean out your day or what I'm doing to clean out my day. So please do leave a comment in the section down below and let me know what you're trying to clean out in your life. And God bless you all, and I'll see you in the next video.